Hi, this is Dr. Joni Lakin, co-author of CogAT Form 8. This short video is intended for teachers, parents, and others who want to know the basics of the CogAT assessment system. CogAT measures students' reasoning abilities in 3 domains: verbal, quantitative, and nonverbal symbol systems. As a result, we are able to look at students' performance in each domain, as well as their overall performance, so that teachers can differentiate instruction to students' various strengths and weaknesses. The CogAT score profile consists of 3 parts: the median stay-9 or overall performance of the student, the type of score pattern or shape, and the areas of particular strength and weakness across the 3 CogAT batteries. In short, the profile describes the student's overall level of performance as well as their patterns of performance. The first part of the CogAT profile describes the student's typical performance across the 3 batteries. This uses a stay-9. The second part of the profile describes the pattern of performance. We use 4 codes to describe this pattern or shape. An A profile means that the performance across batteries is about the same. Profiles with B, C, or E shapes mean there is at least one area of strength or weakness. B profiles reflect small differences in performance, while C and especially E profiles indicate extreme differences in performance across the 3 batteries. The shape of the profile matters because it tells us what kind and how much of different interventions a student needs to build up an area of weakness. The areas where a student has a relative strength or weakness is often the most interesting information for general classroom teachers. This information helps teachers decide how to leverage a student's strength or shore up their weaknesses through appropriate instruction. Now let's bring these 3 parts together. First, we have Samuel with an 8BQ- profile. Sam has fairly high scores overall. The median stay-9 is 8, which is in the top 11% nationally. Although his overall performance is strong, Samuel has a relative weakness in quantitative reasoning. His teacher needs to know this to help him focus his efforts on developing this skill area. Jeremy has a 7A profile. This means he scores above the national average, between a 77th and 89th percentile on average across batteries. Jeremy doesn't show a particular weakness in any area of reasoning. The composite score is meaningful for Jeremy, and the general guidelines for stay-9-7 profiles may be helpful to his teacher. We hope you found this introduction to CogAT profiles useful. Please visit the CogAT website for additional resources that can help you better understand CogAT and how it can be used to help students succeed in school.